In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Canva app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So mostly when you get this error, you might be told that we are unable to reach Canva. Please check your network settings and try again. Now from the error, first go to your internet settings and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet before you can try opening Canva. But should that not work, then most likely we need to troubleshoot Canva. To troubleshoot Canva, just long press on your app, and here you should see we have this option app info. If you don't have app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just tap on it to access Canva app info page. From this, you want to go to for stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this error. Then go to clear data and here clear cache. OK, finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and then go to your phone, check and then see if we have any update through Google Play Store or App Store. Search for your app and update it to the latest version. For my case, I already have the latest version of Canva, so there is no need to update. Once you have updated your app, see if now it works. However, if it doesn't, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app or any recently installed security app. You'll need to uninstall it, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this error. However, at this point, if nothing works, then most likely Canva might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes, then come back, log into your app, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. You may also want to try and see if Canva works on a web browser such as Chrome or any other web browser that you have. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.